How do you know you're asking for the right salary when you're negotiating a job offer or a move up in your current company? Our premium member salary research tool gives you all the data you need to make sure you're in the right ballpark. From the home page, click More, Salary Research. Choose a career title on the left side, fill in a location, and click Go. Data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics will show you the high, median, and low ranges both for your area and for the United States. You can even view this data as an hourly wage chart or go back to an annual wage chart, and you can search for available jobs in that area. Now you can go into a salary negotiation confident that you're in the correct range for your level of skills and qualifications. For more salary negotiating tips, visit our career advice area and enter the word salary in the search box.